Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to create a freestanding lace ornament using our embroidery machine. Let's take a look at the materials we're going to use for this project. For this project, I'm going to use my 4x4 hoop. Since this is a 4x4 friendly project, I'm going to use my T-head pins, but they are optional. 2 pieces of water-soluble stabilizer, a pair of scissors, thread with a matching bobbin. I'm using this super white thread by Glide. We also need a bowl of water and a paper towel. The last 2 things we need our embroidery machine and we need a design. You ready? Let's make it. The first thing we're going to do is hoop our stabilizer. So I'm going to move all of this other stuff out of the way. I'm going to loosen the screw. Take this out. Put the 2 pieces of stabilizer in. Press this in. I like to have a little bit sticking out on the back. Tighten the screw back down. Tap it, make sure it's drum tight. That sounds good. That looks good. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to head over to the, oh no, before I head anywhere, let me put my T-head pins in. Now it's good to go, and we're ready to head over to the embroidery machine. I'm at the embroidery machine, and now I'm ready to thread the machine. Basically, all I'm going to do is follow the path. Now I'm going to add the bobbin. The bobbin for this machine goes in like a P. The machine is threaded and ready to go. Now we need to add the design. I've already added the design onto my pen drive. I'm going to add the pen drive to the machine and search for the design. The design is a snowflake. Now I'm going to press set, embroidery, add the hoop, drop the foot. Now we're ready to go. As you can see, this is a 31-minute stitch out, so we're just going to get it started, and I'll come back once it's all done. The stitch out is complete. Now we're ready to remove the hoop from the machine and take it over to the craft table. This design is 12,080 stitches and it's 3.73 by 3.04. Let's head back over to the craft table and finish it up. I'm back at the craft table. Now I'm ready to unhoop the design. It came out so well. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to see the final project. It is going to be gorgeous. I am so excited. Put it in the water. This is so cute. I love this thing here. This, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. I love freestanding lace projects. I'm going to clip these threads to clean it up a little more. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. Here's a closer look at our final project. This white snowflake, it came out so pretty. I love this snowflake. In fact, I love this project so much that I made 2 more off camera. I made a red one, and I also made a silver bell. The silver bell, it is pretty, pretty, pretty. I like all 3 of them. I like the snowflake the most. I think it'll be a beautiful winter garland. So I'm thinking about making a winter garland out of mine. I hope you are able to make some as well. And I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.